Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable disabled app on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on app, and if you want to enable disabled app, so click on enable. After click on enable, you will see your disabled app is enabled. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable disabled app on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.